Right, we're in Bourton-on-the-Water in the Cotswolds, and as you can see, it's a bit of a grim day, but what a beautiful place this is, and we're making the most of it now by, we visited the chip shed. It's a big stone building right in the town, and I'll leave an image. And you like the tablecloth? My daughter's bought me some lovely presents for my birthday, and this was one of them. And it's got the haddock and the cod and the plaice and battered fish on chips maybe. Definitely got the seagulls. So yeah, we're thrilled to bits and we're going to get stuck in. So first off, the place was immaculate. You know, when you walked in, everyone had their outfits on, they had hats on. We're going to go through a few of these things. Now, I've never had a saveloy from the fish and chip shop. It reminds me of the Redskins we used to get in Australia. They were like well, frankfurter really. Let's give it a little go. Oh, that popped nicely. Yeah, it's a very, very fine mince in here. Yeah, that's really nice. It's kind of salty, and it's not got salt on it. Full of flavour, but you can taste the meats in there, the salts and some herbs, but it's very subtle. So glad to have this this umbrella, because it's bone dry underneath here. Throwing it down all around. Now what we've got here is one of their fish cakes. Now I'm going to cut that in half. That's nice, it's firm, not too firm. You see the moisture in it, the breading's really nice, and it's a thick, it's not like your generic frozen fish cakes. Just break a little bit off there. Roasting hot. Not packed with flavour, it's subtle again. But it's not just packed with crappy fillers. There's quality there. And the packaging is spot on. They've written everything on the boxes. Cardboard packaging and paper, love it. I'm not a fan of polystyrene and plastics, especially when it comes to heating things up or hot food. We've got calamari. Oh, nice little bit of salad with it too. Now that was £6. But at the same time, it looks good. That's enough greenery for one day. But let's try a little bit of this. Yeah, the calamari is tender, as you'd hope for. There's enough on it in each of these bites, but it's not that. It's the breading that makes the difference, I think. It's sweet. It's not greasy at all. Look at this box. I mean, that's a quality box. It's even got their logo on it. I think this is the only Chippy in the village. But what a beautiful village it is. Chips. Oh, wow, look at them. I don't know whether I've given chips before an O. But oh. Yeah. They're all misshaped, just how I like them. Some crunchy, some with skin on, which is fine. Eyes and all. They're delicious. They really are delicious. Right, let's give these mushy peas and curry a try. So I'm going to use a spoon first for this. Now that is unusual and spicy. Not too spicy. It's got a little kick. Gotta have one of these chips in it. Peas with a nice consistency. Not packed with flavour, but it seemed just right. And last but not least, again, great packaging for the fish. Oh, looks like we've had to break a bit off to get it in. Now that's for haddock, and it's got a little skin on. But I'm fine with the skin on. Let's break this in half. It's not large, it's not small, it's just a standard haddock. And that looks fantastic. The crispy, knobbly batter. Look at that. And some people don't like the skin on, but I don't really mind. Well, this batter is sensational. The fish itself has a great texture, and you can see how fresh it is. Who knows where we'll be next? I can't tell you, obviously, because it's a case of him being incognito. We can't just sort of turn up and say we're here to review, can we film and all that, and where we've not decided yet. So now we'll take a look at the computer. We'll look at good reviews, bad reviews, and my review. So see you there. Yeah, so it was a damp and gloomy day, but the village was still alive with people. I mean, how it would be on a dry day, I have no idea, but it was pretty busy, and the Chippy did seem very popular. There were people coming and going all the time, and this Chippy was recommended by a Lorraine Heffron, and I'm so glad we followed up on that one. So if you've got any recommendations yourself, don't forget, leave it in the comments. Let's have a look at some of these reviews. 1 star. Worst scampi and chips I have ever had in the UK. The scampi was sad looking, small bits here and there. The chips were burnt and soggy. What a horrible experience. 3 star. The service was not too pleasing. Food is average. Ambiance is okay. Not better than regular fast food places. Wish they'd made the restrooms smell a bit less displeasing. 5 star. Excellent place to have fish and chips. The service was 5 star and the staff very friendly and relaxed. The food is good and you have the possibility to choose different accompaniments for your fish and chips. The space is quite pleasant and trendy. Mine, 5 star. The highly recommended Chippy I simply had to visit, especially considering the picturesque village surroundings. I wasn't disappointed. Bourton-on-the-Water was bustling with activity, proving itself a popular tourist destination. Upon entering the spacious stone building, I found it elegantly arranged with numerous well-dressed staff members ready to assist those dining in or opting for takeaway. The service was commendable and eco-friendly paper and cardboard packaging were used. The chips were delicious, some of the best I've tasted, while the fish was delightful in its light, crispy batter. The calamari was also tender, encased in flavoursome breadcrumbs. Parking near the shop can be challenging, but there are pay and display car parks just a few minutes walk away. Combining a stroll through this charming village with the culinary pleasures of the chip shed truly made for an unforgettable day out. Cooking in rapeseed oil, hygiene rating 5, fish reviewed haddock, payment methods cash or card. If you're anywhere in the Cotswolds and you're looking for something to eat and you want to see some gorgeous scenery, village scenery, I mean, it was absolutely beautiful. Pop into this Chippy. So see you on the next one. This is a brand new channel for 2024. So if you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell. And if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.